Hey everybody, it's Mike from the Home Happy team here with your June 2025 rate synopsis. So the Bank of Canada chickened out. They could have dropped prime, but they decided not to. They looked at the chaos that's being caused by the tariff talk and where we're at, and decided to stay on the sidelines, not make any change. They want to see more data, which is code for they don't want to do anything right now. Meantime, Canadians are suffering from higher payments than they should be paying, and there was an option there to, if they had dropped prime, it would have allowed perhaps more developers to get into the market and start to build more, and also more people to get into the real estate market. But they didn't do that. So what's next? Well, we still expect that prime is going to drop by 0.5% from where it is right now. Right now it's 4.95. We expect it to be down to 4.45 by the end of the year. I think with more recession talk and more slower economies, that number could drop even more by next year. We're not sure. So if you're in an adjustable rate mortgage, your payment and your interest didn't change. That's the fact. In the meantime, fixed rates are in a funny place. They normally are cheaper for a 1 year and more expensive for a 5 year. That isn't the case right now. It's very flat. They're all kind of the same rate. And those rates went up slightly last week or so by 20 basis points, 25 basis points. So they were like 4 to 4.25 in that range. And now they're in the 4.25 to 4.5 range. So they've blipped up slightly. It has to do with the bond market. It has to do with the stocks, money flowing here and there, and chaos in the world economy. So we do expect those numbers to keep coming down a little bit, not like super dramatically, but as we see the economy unfold over the next 6 months or a year, I think you'll see those rates come down too. So overall, it's kind of just a sit and wait. The next meeting of the Bank of Canada is in July. If we see some economic news that's more negative, which is likely, and inflation stays fairly low, that's a good thing. Then we'll probably see prime drop. If the government continues to spend too much money like they seem to want to, that's going to cause inflation, and that could cause them to hold off on reducing prime. So a little bit of chaos, a little bit of uncertainty. If you're not sure about where you're at and where your strategy is, please reach out. We'd love to talk to you about it. And that's it for now. Thanks for checking.